So today we're doing an unboxing of the new Apurture Amaran 200d. First of all, it's not a paid unboxing, so this is what I feel or what I think about it. This is going to be the first time. So as you guys might have heard, Apurture is coming out with more of a budget. They're splitting their lines into a budget line and a more quote-unquote professional line. This is their new budget line. So this is the Amaran 200. It's 200 watts. D stands for daylight, so it's 5600 Kelvin. You can't change it, everything like that, which is good because it's actually, you don't need the versatility of that. It's actually brighter than the X, which is the bicolor one. So they made it obviously a budget, so there's a few things that they changed up from their typical line. Let's take a look. You got a little manual right here. We got something here, looks like a pouch. So there's no carrying case. It's obviously it comes in a foam thing like this. You can see some stickers. So there's no carrying case, which obviously reduces the cost. This setup right here is under $300, which is pretty good. Here's the light. There it is. It's definitely more plasticky. Their professional line has obviously more metal, but that's what you pay or pay less for. It comes with a Bowens mount. Comes with this handle, also plastic, but it feels sturdy, so that's good. So it's not flimsy, although it's plastic. You got the knobs here. Doesn't weigh too much, actually. A very good, solid feeling light. One of the interesting things that they changed here, which is one thing I've always didn't like about the Apurture lights, the power cord. It always felt like you needed to have like a brick, and there was another thing, and another like controller, and so a lot of things hanging. They've actually reduced that a little bit by making it, one connector there, so the power brick that you can then connect. Looks like there's like a loop thing that you can loop on a stand. So it just makes it a little bit more convenient and less things hanging. And then what else comes in here? So again, no carrying bag, but it does come with a reflector. Let's go ahead and put that over here. It comes with a new reflectors as a protective thing. You can see that right there. So you can obviously connect Bowens, soft boxes, etc. So very excited to use this. And that's really it in the box. So that's it. Pretty bare bones. But then again, if you're buying something for the bag, you're probably buying the wrong light. Although there's some pretty good light bags out there with good lights, obviously. But I want the light more so in the bag because obviously I'm going to put this in a good bag of my own. There it is. This is all that comes in it: manual, power cord, the actual light, which has the handle right here. You can see there, really good. And the beauty of all their stuff, obviously, it all works with the Sidus Link app, so you can control this light and other lights, very easily. Looking forward to doing some cool video with this.